How to fix Wise login problem. If you're not being able to log in to the Wise account, there might be various reasons behind it. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also, try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If still your problem is not fixed, try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application itself. Open Play Store of your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Wise. You can see the results over here. Find the application for Wise and tap on it. If you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and Wise will be updated. After the update is completed, the bugs will be fixed and you should be able to log in to your account. If not, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Wise and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Once you do that, tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Cache. After you do that, you should be able to log in. If you're still not being able to log in, uninstall the Wise application and install it again. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the restart is completed, your problem should be fixed. You should be able to log in to your Wise account. Like this, you can fix Wise login problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.